In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your HY300 projector. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up any model of HY300 projector is extremely simple. So, first, when you unbox it, you will see all of the connection types at the back, including common ones like HDMI. But you might want to use something like Miracast, which is absolutely possible as long as you connect it to a wireless device. So to start, the very first screen that you will see will look like this. I recommend heading over into the settings. In here you will have all of the main options like networking, zoom mode, language settings, and so on. If you notice that any of these are off, then you can configure them as needed. If your HY300 projector is in another language that you don't understand, then choose this icon here and then select this icon, and now you will be able to browse through all of the languages. Now, for networking, you will be able to connect to a Wi-Fi network. This isn't going to be strictly needed, but if you want to update the firmware down the line, if you want to open the Play Store to download different applications, then you will have to go ahead, enable Wi-Fi, and connect it to a Wi-Fi network. Once this is done, everything else is personal preference. You can change settings about the projection, change the audio, date and time, and set these according to your preferences. It's also important to visit this page because you can adjust the settings. So if you are in a low visibility environment, you might want to adjust the brightness and other things. Like I said at the start of the video, you will have various different connection options, the main one being HDMI. You can plug in a headphone, you can use USB port for other devices, they have vents for air filtering, and so on. If you want to connect it to a PC or a laptop, it's going to be as simple as plugging one end of an HDMI cable into the projector and the other one goes into the laptop or PC. So find a suitable HDMI port and plug it in. It will immediately switch into HDMI input and you will be good to go. If you want to connect it wirelessly to a smartphone, a tablet, or any other device, you will either have to use AirPin if you are trying to connect to an iOS device. So download AirPin Pro from the Play Store, or use Miracast if you have any other device, like an Android device that supports something like Smart View or wireless mirroring. And once you choose Miracast or AirPin Pro, you can select the options to screen mirror your device like this. With all of that said, I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you set up your HY300 Pro projector, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality videos possible, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.